And for today's video, ayan, pag-uusapan natin ang new version ng Form I-129F. Ayan. Itong new version na to is mandatory starting May 1st. So, ayan guys. May na ngayon. Kaya, sa mga magpo-file, starting ngayong month of May 2025, the new Form I-129F version is mandatory. And make sure that you upload the new version from the USCIS website to avoid rejection. The new form includes stricter formatting requirements as part of USCIS move toward digital processing. So, ayan, para mabilis yung kanilang pag-proseso. Bumaba ang kanilang mga backlogs. Ayan, kailangan ayusin niyo yung pag-fill up ng bagong version and make sure it's the new version. Ayan, bago nyo